In this video, we are going to look at how to extract surface points from a Civil 3D surface. So I have a Civil 3D surface here. So this surface is created from points. Then let us say I want to extract those points into this drawing. So to do that, I select the surface, go to surface, edit surface style. On the display tab, turn on the visibility of the points, this one, and click OK. So you will see all the points now is visible inside the drawing. So you can't select the points, they are part of the surface, but they are visible now. So to extract these points into the drawing, what you have to do is you have to select the surface, then go to extract from surface, extract objects. Then you have the border and points both, so we will deselect the border and select all the points. If you need, you can select part of the points as well. Now I click OK, and you can see now the points are extracted. So you can see there's a point. So if I change the drawing style to no display, you will now see these points are in the drawing. They are not COGO points, they are just AutoCAD points, right? So you go to the properties, you can see it is just AutoCAD point. It has also elevation. So if you want, you can give this data to someone else.